Hello everyone, welcome to the show once again, the Cinema Chronicles. Today we have Deepanvita Sarkar ma'am. We are going ahead to Bengal right now in Kolkata and उनसे कुछ बातें करेंगे. Well, उनके बारे में क्या कहे? She's a multifaceted personality. You can call her a poet, you can call her an illustrator, you can call her an entrepreneur, you can call her a social activist. 5 hats, 6 hats into one. We welcome you, ma'am. Ma'am, your journey has been a beautiful one. Creativity, when we speak about creativity, what do you think creativity means for you? आपके लाइफ में creativity कैसे आप कहोगे होती है? प्लीज हमें शेयर कीजिए.
In my perspective, creativity is not a confined room. So there is no door of entry or exit. मेरे लिए it's a vast sky. I have a childlike curiosity towards imaginary world of art. I really can't pinpoint when and how all this began for me. It's like a breathing for my creative mind. इस विषय में मेरे बचपन का एक कुछ किस्सा सुनाना चाहती हूँ. I was born into a बड़ा परिवार with 5 children. हमेशा there were guests visiting and my mother was warm, loving and forever welcoming with her three power of hospitality. And my father worked hard at Indian Airlines. He supported us as well as 4 other cousins who stayed with us for their education. सोचिए, आज के ज़माने में कोई सोच सकते हैं 9 बच्चों को पालने के बारे में? Hence, being brought up in such a traditional mindset, we were always imbibed with a culture of sharing and giving. जब भी कोई गेस्ट आते थे, all my siblings had their portion of duties divided. I was like an extra, having no real chores to do at home. But मुझे तो मेरा contribution feel करवाना ही था. तो I used to make it up by entertaining our guests. I would sing, dance, recite poems and showcase my work of art and craft. I was never a shy child. I loved to flaunt my skill. एंड मुझे तो मेरी तारीफ सुनना बहुत पसंद था, बहुत मज़ा आते थे. देन व्हेन गेस्ट लेफ्ट दे वुड लिव विद ग्रेट मेमोरीज ऑफ हॉस्पिटैलिटी. पर मेरा एक्ट यूज्ड टू बी द हाईलाइट ऑफ द डे. इट वाज सो पॉपुलर कि दे स्टार्टेड शेयरिंग विद अदर्स एंड एवरीवन स्टार्टेड विजिटिंग टू मेक देयर फरमाइशेस. सो या, शायद that was my earliest stint as an artist.
Well, thanks a lot, ma'am. You shared your creativity phases and your start as an artist. One thing we would like to know, as your multifaceted personality, many hats into one. How do you manage it, यार? I mean, इतना आसान नहीं होता है multifaceted personality बनना. And how do you manage those skills? And हमने ये भी सुना है कि आप you have visited lots of places throughout the country. Shifting होती रहती थी. So how did you manage those phases of shifting every time, each time when you went?
I have 1 visible head and 9 other invisible heads. सभी कंपार्टमेंट में मेरे जो थॉट्स है एकदम परफेक्टली डिवाइडेड है. वैसे ही आपको पता होगा कि हमारी बंगाली कल्चर में वी सेलिब्रेट दुर्गा पूजा. दुर्गा माँ इज सिंबल ऑफ गॉडेस शक्ति. Her idol with 10 hands is a sign of multitasking spirit within a woman. तो ये सिर्फ मेरे बारे में नहीं है. आई बिलीव हर औरत में ये मल्टीटास्किंग की क्वालिटी होती है. मेरी शादी के बाद आई हैड टू ट्रैवल एंड शिफ्ट टू मेनी स्टेट विद माई हस्बैंड ड्यू टू हिज जॉब. हर स्टेट की एक नए कल्चर और उसके साथ वहाँ की नए चैलेंजेस मुझे संभालना पड़ता था. जनरली फैक्ट्रीज आर सिचुएटेड इन अ रिमोट लोकेशन एंड सो अदर लोकेलिटीज़. पर उतने लिमिटेड रिसोर्स में भी आई हैड टू ब्रिंग अप 2 चिल्ड्रेन, टेक केयर देयर हेल्थ, ऊपर से उनके खाने पीने के नए नए शौक, पढ़ाई, ये सब कुछ मुझे संभालना पड़ता था. इट वॉज अ कॉन्स्टेंट जगल बिटवीन ए होम मेकर, टीचर एंड ए मदर. सो प्रोबेबली दोज डेज ट्रेन मी to sharpen my skills as a multitasker.
Wow, wonderful. I mean, I'm taken aback. 5 hats into one, not easy. अगर मैं आपकी जगह पे होता तो शायद मैं कर नहीं पाता. Anyways, illustration का आपका जो करियर है, how did it start? And one big achievement which I got to know about is you have one international published magazine on your name. Please, please, please tell us about it. Tell us about how it happened. What is it all about? Because international magazine on your name, wow, that's a big achievement. And paintings, you paint a lot, and you have been socially very active. You have been giving it to social activities. These paintings, donations you have been doing. So our audiences would like to know more about what type of paintings you do and how do they get donated.
From my school days, I used to draw the character of cartoon stories. I would love reading comic books and watching cartoons. मेरे कुछ फेवरेट थे इसमें, जैसे कि फैंटम, टिंटिन, सत्यजीत राय की कहानियाँ, प्रोफेसर शंकु एट्सेट्रा. आई थिंक इसीलिए मेरा इलस्ट्रेशन में दिलचस्पी पड़ी, इंटरेस्ट डेवलप हुआ. आई वॉज फेमस इन स्कूल फॉर ए यूनिक टैलेंट. I would draw a scenery on blackboard described in a song that was being performed in a same time. The song was Shantanoditi Pote Akachobiti. Those days really. मैं अपने peer group में काफ़ी popular थी for drawing their project book design. I always participated in drawing, recitation, drama competition. I was ever excited to make crafts and art to decorate the school hall stage during annual functions. Later, I started working for magazines and made illustration for the stories. My most recognized work is in Pratichi, the international Bengali magazine, published during Durga Puja. It's 2016 edition of Sharodiya Shankha. My illustration were featured in the whole magazine. ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़े सम्मान की बात थी. You can say that is one of the greatest honor I have received. I also donate my paintings for so many fundraising welfare events. The recent one was for Lal Mati Utsav. It was to support the tribal of Purulia district. अभी भी मैं लोगों की जो बर्थडे होती है, तभी उनकी जो एनिवर्सरी होती है, उनमें मैं हमेशा उन पीपल को I love to greet with their portrait sketch. Sometimes I write small note or poem along with it. In my professional days as a teacher, I used to be on a forefront to decorate halls, conduct extracurricular activities for my tiny tots.
Wow, lovely, ma'am. Lovely experience. Lovely things you have been saying to us. Definitely, our audiences are going to love it. Teacher, as a teacher, how did you start? कैसी जर्नी रही आपकी? एंड उस बेसिस में क्या होता है कि जब हम कुछ करते हैं, हमें हमारे पैशंस अलग होते हैं. वी हैव डिफरेंट पैशंस एंड वी डू समथिंग एल्स. So how did you read us discover your passion for arts and everything else apart from being a teacher?
It's true that early days of my professional life was spent in school as a teacher. पर वो टिपिकल करिकुलम स्टडीज़ के स्टूडेंट को पसंद नहीं था, अट्रैक्टिव नहीं लगते थे. इसलिए आई कॉन्स्टेंट एंगेज्ड विथ माई इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ विथ स्टूडेंट्स, relate them with real world interaction more than followed books. I used to add new and innovative techniques to encourage their learning. जैसे कि हम नेचर वर्क लेते थे to understand the process of germination, butterfly, etc. To introduce healthy food habits, I made sprout chart and we had a chart ka thela in classroom. My style of teaching was very much appreciated by the parents and my students had a lot of fun. In the meantime, my children were growing up. Due to school duties, I started missing a lot of family time. Particularly before my son's board exam, I felt guilty. I don't give sufficient time to my son. You know, those regular motherly sentiments, studies, food, routine, etc. So I decided to resign from job. But after leaving my job, I started suffering with emptiness syndrome. एक खालीपन सा एमलेस सा फील होने लगा था. So, to overcome my constant sadness, I started to follow my passion of art. I cultivated many techniques of art, paintings, and started writing poems, stories. I realized in constant work pressure, I had completely forgotten pursue my passion. Gradually, I rediscovered my true happiness, started loving myself, and followed my passion for arts.
Hi, wonderful, ma'am. बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ आपने कही. You have actually told us a beautiful thing about your passion and how did you generate those interests back. Sundarbans. When we speak about Kolkata, there's an area named as Sundarbans. So just tell us about this place. Just tell us something about it. And you have done a lot of work for the people over there. So please let us know about the work which you have done for the people of the Sundarbans.
So, Sundarban is a lowland area. It's a deep, dark mangroves of Bengal. तो वहाँ काफ़ी टाइगर के अटैक के केसेस होते हैं. So I started supporting the widows of tiger victims. Sundarban is still not a safe zone for its dwellers. There is promotion regarding tourism of Sundarban, but how much are we doing for the people who risk their lives every day? These are people who put their lives in danger to culture our bees and fetch honey. उनका लाइवलीहुड ही वो फॉरेस्ट से आते हैं. इसके सिवा उनके पास और कुछ रोजगार के साधन भी नहीं है. इसलिए मैंने एक फंड रेज होस्ट किया था फॉर डोनेटिंग श्विंग मशीन फॉर द लेडीज. It's a continuous process to fundraise as there is so much to contribute. I'm trying more so that उनके बच्चों के लिए भी बुक्स डोनेट कर सकूं for their education.
Beautiful work, ma'am. Beautiful initiatives from your end over here, especially for the people of the Sundarbans. Ma'am, we would like to know about your project Akriti Anubhavi.
Avriti Anubhavi is a group of people who have a paid passion for recitation. We used to do stage performance under the guidance of Tapash Maitida. Recently, I discontinued my training class क्योंकि मुझे काफ़ी सारे प्रोजेक्ट जागल करना पड़ रहा था. बट वहाँ से मैंने सीखा कि recitation can never be taught, but it's about cultivating a feeling. उन पंक्तियों को, मन के भाव को समझना पड़ता है. उसका इनर मीनिंग और डेप्थ ही रिसाइटेशन के एसेंस है. इसीलिए इट्स कॉल्ड आवृत्ति अनुभवी, मीनिंग experience the content.
Hi, great, ma'am. What do you think about supporting new talents? You require, one requires to give a launch pad to everyone. So, what are your thoughts on that?
My voice is like a dream come true for me. I am humbled to be building a foundation for the people that require representation. हमेशा किसी ना किसी कारण से उनके जो वोकल नहीं हो पाते, वो लोग उनके सही प्रमोशन नहीं हो पाते, नहीं मिल पाते. इस प्लेटफॉर्म के ज़रिए आई विश टू मेक कंट्रीब्यूशन इन सपोर्टिंग, uplifting, and nourishing a lot of talents.
Well, ma'am, it's wonderful. Your voice has been serving as a help to a lot of people, a lot of needy people. आपको क्या लगता है with the platform which you are on today? So, what do you think? Giving back to the society, is it very important? Do we need to go ahead with it?
जैसे कि मैंने बताया, द वॉइस, दिस इज माय फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट. ये एक प्रयास है उन आर्टिस्ट के लिए जिनके आंखों में एक सपने हैं, उन लोगों के लिए जो स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री चलाना चाहते हैं, उन बच्चों के लिए जिनको मॉनिटरी सपोर्ट ना मिलने के कारण उनकी पढ़ाई अधूरी रह जाती है. We are also going to promote women's empowerment and work on providing girl child protection. My voice is a mission to create a healthy world where people believe in sharing and caring. As I strongly believe, जो चीज़ आप अपने लिए करते हैं वो आपके जाने के बाद चले जाते हैं, लेकिन जो आप औरों के लिए करते हैं वो आपकी विरासत के रूप में यहाँ रह जाते हैं. So spread happiness, it will multiply. My message to all viewers कि आपने इस लॉकडाउन में क्या खोए है वो हिस्ट्री कभी याद नहीं रखेंगे, जबकि आपने क्या परिवर्तन लाए हैं उसी के लिए इतिहास आपको हमेशा याद करेंगे. So I urge everyone to be creative and use your innovative skill for the betterment for the future world. I want to give special thanks to Dr. Pratap Mudliar to encourage me for the interview. I would like to end my interview with my favorite Rabindranath Tagore song. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে.
Wow, ma'am, that was a scene stealer. Wonderful Rabindranath Tagore song which you have told us. I really loved it. I hope definitely our audiences will also love this song. And thanks a lot for being on the show. बहुत अच्छा लगा आप आई, आपने आपका कीमती समय निकाला हमारे लिए. And we are obliged for that. Best of luck for your future. Best of luck for all your endeavors. And may all your ahead projects succeed. Lots of love from my end and the Cinema Chronicles team. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
If you like this video, then please click the like button, to leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe the channel The Cinema Chronicles.